Hi guys and Namastey. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Kerala style prawn stew, which is a popular prawns curry dish. To make prawn stew, we need 200 grams of prawns. Wash, devein and clean it. Add about half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Combine the prawns well with the spices. Keep it aside. Heat a pan or a kadai and add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once hot, add the marinated prawns. We are going to shallow fry these prawns. You may take small, medium or large prawns for this recipe. Fry the prawns in batches and do not overcrowd. Once the prawns are fried on one side, flip it and let it cook. The whole shallow frying process will take only about 4 to 5 minutes. Once done, remove the prawns to a plate. To the same pan, add about 2 more tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 green chilli that is finely chopped, 2 to 3 dry red chillies, and a few curry leaves. Saute for a couple of seconds. This is a mildly spiced curry, so add only 1 green chilli. To this add 1 small onion that is finely sliced. Combine well. Once the onion is slightly cooked, add 1 large potato which is boiled and cubed. Give it a good mix. To this, add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix again. Add about 3/4 cup of hot water. Mix again and add a little bit of salt. Combine well and in the process mash up the potatoes a bit. Let the chunks remain. Once you have got a thick consistency, add 1½ cups of coconut milk. Combine well and add the fried prawns. Do you like curries with coconut milk in it? We can use this recipe for preparing chicken stew as well. Now once you have added the fried prawns, mix again. Cover and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes in medium-low flame. Remove the lid and add a pinch of pepper powder and a pinch of fennel powder. Mix again and remove from the flame. Add about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and keep covered for about 15 minutes before serving. That's it. The one-pot delicious prawn stew or prawns moilee is ready. Serve warm with appam, idiyappam or steamed rice. For a detailed printable version of the recipe, check the link in the description box below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. That's all for now. Bye bye and I'll see you soon.